Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. A. To find x double prime of 2 and 4, we analyze the slope of the graph of x prime of t. With slope -2 minus 0 over 4 minus 0 equals -1/2, so x double prime of 2 equals -1/2. At t equals 4, the slope from the left is -1/2, while the slope from the right is 2 minus -2 over 6 minus 4 equals 2. X prime of t is decreasing. On the interval 6 to 10, the graph of x prime of t is a semicircle. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.